Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure you can legally use the song. YouTube Music Premium simplifies playback, but not always direct export, so download or locate the licensed audio. Once done, open your Canva project and set the correct aspect ratio and timeline length to match the music. Make sure your audio file is accessible on the same device where you run Canva. Otherwise, upload it to your cloud or local storage first, because Canva cannot import streaming links directly. Now upload the audio file into Canva, drag it into Uploads, or choose Upload Media. After the file appears, drag it onto the timeline and zoom the waveform to see beats. This is why you prepared the length. Use Split to remove unwanted parts, then add Fade and Slash Out for clean transitions. To sync visuals to music, nudge the audio clip by a few frames or snap elements to beats. This tight alignment keeps motion and cuts feeling intentional and professional. Finish by balancing audio levels. Lower music relative to any voiceover, and check master volume so nothing clips. Export with a high bitrate so compression doesn't ruin clarity, then test playback on the device your audience will use. If YouTube Music Playback is blocked or the file throws an error, replace the track with a licensed file or a royalty-free alternative inside Canva. This fixes legal and playback problems fast. If issues persist, re-upload the audio using a different format like MP3 or M4A.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.